Introducing Axxess Interfaces new factory USB auxiliary replacement panels. Starting with the AXUSB-CH1, which is designed for 2015 and up Jeep models. Then the USB-CH1, which is designed for 2015 and up Chrysler models. Then the AXUSB-CH2, which is designed for 2015 and up specific Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles. The AXUSB-RAM1, which is designed for 2015 and up Ram trucks. And the AXUSB-HK3, which is designed for 2014 and up Hyundai and Kia vehicles. For any more information on these products, you could visit AxxessInterfaces.com, follow Metra Electronics on Facebook, and find us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.